At this point, you're probably gonna see me next when Vlogmas starts, I think. I think we'll be in Vlogmas for the next video, because this one's going live on Tuesday, which is what? The 30th?
That might be the first day.
Good morning, bud. Can I get a paw? Thank you. So guys, today is the Saturday after Thanksgiving. My family is still here, and I figured a really fun project to do with my younger cousins is to install the underglow that I bought for the S2000. Now I teased this in a previous video at a car meet. Oh, that's coming. It's coming back. It's a real thing. It's actually coming back. Yeah,
it's coming back.
Deadass. I'll get it on the S2000.
All right.
Bet.
All right, bet.
And I actually ended up buying it. I told RJ I was gonna do it, and I did it.
No.
Thank you.
No.
You know what? They didn't have what I needed, but now that I think about it, I might have one at home, so I'm gonna go check. Found them. So what I have here is an expandable fuse. Basically what you do is you plug this into one of your fuse spots in your fuse box, and this essentially takes power from that spot in your fuse box and supplies it to whatever you want. All right, so far the only fuse that I found that I'm able to utilize is a 20 amp fuse, and that is for the headlights. Nothing else inside this fuse box really makes sense because it's not an always on thing. The only other 10 amp thing in this fuse box was the hazards, and those just flash, so that will not work. I will have to run the headlights in order for these to turn on, but I'm gonna go ahead and ground this wire, turn on the car, and see if these light up. We're gonna find out. Headlights still work, good, should be a good ground. Yeah, let's go. They're on, boys. So that is gonna be a good power source. So the headlights must be on for this to work, which is fine. I don't mind that. This is just a fun little gag anyway, so. Okay, so it's been a little while since I talked to you guys last actually, and it's because I've been encountering a little bit of an issue. The car is undercoated along the sides. So with that said, the 3M tape would not stick to the sides. However, I got the front stuck on. Front went on super easy. My solution to the sides not sticking is actually, in my opinion, I'm pretty proud of myself for thinking of this actually. I went to Home Depot and I bought some neodymium magnets. These are very strong magnets. All I did was stick them to the 3M tape on the light strip and then just stuck them to the car with these magnets. Let me show you guys. So not only are these like very well stuck on, they're also removable. You guys can't really see. Now you can. See that? I'm super happy about that. That's so cool in my opinion. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stick on the other side and the back and we're done. So if you guys are gonna use the Boosted John magnet method, patented, trademarked, and copyrighted, this is what it should look like. I just cut off a little bit of the 3M tape, stuck the magnets on. They are stuck on there really nice. And then you just stick this to the bottom of the car. We are gonna cruise around with this underglow on, but let me just show you how I have it wired up. Again, here's the control box. I literally just grounded it to this nut right here next to the control box. Fuse box, I showed you earlier. Kind of pinched the wire there, but who cares? It's a freaking underglow kit. And there it is, 20 amp expandable fuse. Hopefully it works. And let's try it out. There's an app for this called the GoV Home. Yeah, there it is. Not running, headlights on, running. Super hard to see during daytime, but there we go, baby. Look at that. You can kind of see it up front. It's hard, but we'll wait till it gets dark. Oh yeah, woohoo. Dude, that was such an easy install. I mean, it definitely took some planning and some thought to do it efficiently, but damn, that's awesome. So I'm gonna get the car off the jack stands. We're gonna see what it looks like when it gets on the ground. I think it's gonna look way better. Okay guys, it's getting a little darker outside where you can actually see it a little bit. Check that out. We're gonna have to go to a parking garage and shoot some cinematics. Let's go. Say hi, Rob.
What's up, dog? How's it going?
Dog. Woo. That thing looks so ridiculous. That's so hilarious. I actually love this so much. This is something I've wanted since I was such a young kid, and now that it's finally back in style, people are actually doing this to their cars unironically. I find it so fun to do it to my car, ironically. Oh, it's so funny. It's so funny. Dude, if an officer pulls me over, I'll just tell him that he hates Christmas.
Yeah, he definitely hates Christmas if he's gonna pull you over.
Whoa, look at that! It's so cool!
Hey, hey.
Whoa! Nice! Wait, let's get some other spectators. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's so nice! Whoa!
Oh my gosh. That's so cool.
Christmas! Yeah. My family was asking if you are allowed to keep those on while you drive.
No.
What are you doing?
Wow.
Very festive.
Yeah.
Need it.
Oh, this is not an S2000. What is this?
A grandma car.
So since my family's all in town, we decided to go out and do a drive-through Christmas light display. Whoa. So cool, Kearney.
So cool.
That thing was called an arboretum.
Well,
That's
it's a light
pla-
show.
Yeah, it was like a light show in an arboretum, which is apparently a place where they plant and study and nurture trees, which is really cool. I didn't even know that existed, but I drive past it all the time. So let's go get our burrito. Luciano, I told you this was gonna be a rough week in terms of food, bud.
Big Mac. 2 patties, 1 patty. 2 patties, 3 buns.
Are you gonna eat more? Do you want more?
Yes.
Watch the form. Watch the form. Oh yeah. Dude, the crunch factor is kind of on point right now.
And they're warm.
All done. But wait, Kearney, there's more.
No, come on, let's try one.
I feel like I'm putting on a show.
In front of us?
Yeah. Here we go. I just usually don't have an audience. We got some Knob Creek whiskey. This isn't my favorite, but we're going with it for today.
You know what's funny?
What?
You said you're not a fan of it, but it's gone.
It's gone. I think I just need a little splash of this. A little bit of this. Peach jam. Like that much. I don't know what this is called. I just saw it at a restaurant in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, and I really liked it. So let's see if it's actually as good as it was then. I think I put too much club soda. It's a little watered down now. So guys, I think the underglow turned out really good. I'm really excited about it actually. I'm gonna be riding around with Christmas music blasting, wearing a Santa suit soon enough. At this point, you're probably gonna see me next when Vlogmas starts, I think. I think we'll be in Vlogmas for the next video because this one's going live on Tuesday, which is what? The 30th?
That might be the first day.
Today's the 28th.
Tuesday is the 1st of December?
Yeah.
Oh my god, welcome to Vlogmas. Holy smokes. So guys, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the underglow. If you guys like this video, please click that thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button. And as I always say, boys, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.
Remember the
Ding.